So it's in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, can you give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so guys, before we go fully into it, okay, these are the assets that we'll be checking out, and everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay, this actually started an uptrend right from this support zone, and of course it kept on going up after giving us the uptrend signal and the buy signal, and you can see it buying till it got to this resistance zone. Okay, it decided to sell for a while. It has got into this region, this support zone, but it has not been able to break out from there, so it had a pullback. So if it breaks out above this resistance zone, then definitely it is going to buy more till it gets to this resistance zone. But if it does not, then it will come back here and try out this support zone to see if it can break out from there. Once it breaks out from there, then it will sell till it gets to this particular support zone. Okay, so we should take note of all these. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment. It might not be for a very long time because it's trying to go back into a downtrend, so we should take note of that. Okay, next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out together. Okay guys, this is boom 500, and just the way we are seeing this had been on uptrend, even though it started slowly, but it has been more of an uptrend than a downtrend, and it has got into this resistance zone. Okay, it has not been able to break out from there. If it's unable to break out from there, then it's most likely it's changed the direction of the trend into a downtrend, because this is like forming AM. Okay, so the last leg of M would pick up from there if it's unable to break out from here. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment, even though it is at the resistance zone. If it does not break out from there, it will start a downtrend from there. So this is very important. Okay, so next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out together. This is crash 1000, and of course, just where we've seen this, okay, it was on downtrend before, but it started an uptrend right from here. We got the uptrend signal, we got the buying opportunity, and it kept on buying and buying. It has got into this resistance zone. It has not been able to break out from there, so if it's unable to break out from there, then it will go back on downtrend. Okay, we should take note of that. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment, even though it is not going to be for a very long time. That is if it does not break out above the resistance zone. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 500. Crash 500 had been more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity, and it was a very strong one. Okay, so and it is still buying at the moment, so this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, next asset, which is going to be the last one, is going to be V75. Okay, let's check it out together. This is V75, and of course this is the current chart. It went on uptrend but was unable to break out from there, so right from there it started the downtrend, even though it had a pullback around there, but was unable to go above this, so it started a downtrend right from there, and it's going to sell for long. Once it breaks out from this particular support zone, it's going to come down till it gets to this particular spot. Okay, so this is very important. So this should be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every aspect of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, thank you.